about a journey, and for these three gentlemen, where's the third gentleman? दूर चला गया यहाँ से. For these three gentlemen, it's certainly been a journey in kite flying, है ना? Tell me, when you guys left, for instance, a TV and you came here, what were you thinking? Matlab, you're already established there. Why would I do something like this?
I wanted to do movies, and the kind of character and role play I was looking for, I felt that it is available on movies, and I started my pursuit, and काफी कोशिश की, and 5 साल लग गए मुझे काय पोछे चलाने में. And I'm very grateful to Gattu sir कि उन्होंने मुझे इतनी बड़ी फिल्म दी, इतनी बड़ी opportunity दी कि मैं कुछ कर सकूं, अपना talent दिखा सकूं. So बहुत amazing journey रही है, and I'm very happy. I'm flying.
Excellent. Abhishek, when you were choosing these three guys, what made you choose somebody who would, for instance, has a history in television, vis-a-vis somebody who'd be an established actor and be able to do the role like an actor would do it? I mean, in that sense, like a star.
You know, it's more important to be an actor, and then you can be a star. You know, I have learned that when a film is being made, you know, everyone who comes on board and they have a good, exciting, interesting script, everyone who comes on board says that, what can I do for the script? It's so exciting, it's such a good script, how can I add value? But a star is the only one who comes on board and says, what can this script do for me? You know, and I think, but an actor doesn't think like that. And these are real actors. They may be new to this platform. They're from television, and television is the most amazing training ground for upcoming, blossoming actors. And I couldn't have found them in a better place than on television and theatre. And they are not just newcomers. They're not amateurs. They're professional, fantastic, most amazing actors. Probably one of the best the industry probably has.
साहब आपकी तो रिपोर्ट कार्ड पे A+ और A+ हो गया. But as far as the movie is concerned, now you of course are one movie old. How does it feel in the movies vis-a-vis being in the on television just for stardom? मतलब कोई फर्क पड़ा है या मतलब वहीं के वहीं है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा इसका?
Yeah, obviously it's the first film, so it's very special, and it's a brilliant script, so it's very special. That's it.
Okay, I've heard a lot about this brilliant script. Can somebody tell me about the brilliant script?
You know, the script, it's very real. There is no filmy banana in the script. Whatever is happening, there's a logic behind it. The characters are very real. So I think, and the script, I think every person, every audience, they can connect to the character, they can connect to the stories. I think that is called it's a film from the heart and for the heart. I think that's why we call it as a brilliant script. Because there's no filmy banana, it's an absolutely honest film.
I can add a point. There is a significant form in a script. If some of the parts add up, which is more than the whole, that's called a brilliant script.
बॉस भाई साहब लाइन मार दी है इन्होंने.
यूथ फ्यूचर है. आजकल तो यूथ
They are, but as far as I'm concerned, let's go see a little bit of Kai Pochi and we'll be back in just a bit. Of course, we're flying high and that's as good as we can get. रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हय्यो हाय हाय आजानी किरणों बिखराए.
A tale of undying friendship, of firing ambition, of party politics and the infamous Gujarat riots. And all of this set against the backdrop of nation's first love, cricket. Put it all together and you have what is the loudest call for victory. TV's hottest talents Sushant Singh Rajput and Amit Shah join hands with the rock-on director Abhishek Kapoor for the official adaptation of Chetan Bhagat's bestseller, 3 Mistakes of My Life. The film's hit theatres and the audience seems to be warming up to it.
थिएटर में गए तो लगा कि नाम सुन के लगा पता नहीं कैसा होगा. रियली इट इज यूनिक. मतलब इतना अच्छा लगा. इट हार्ट टचिंग पूरा फिल्म एकदम बहुत ही अच्छा लगा फिल्म.
It was a lovely movie. We enjoyed the movie.
It was
very nice.
Very good movie. Very well made, very well acted, brilliant, fantastic.
Good movie, worth seeing.
Too good. Excellent.
And Sushant Singh Rajput was looking too cute, and yeah, brilliant actor. Actually, all songs are good, but yeah, Manjalik really touches your heart.
With Bollywood, cricket and passion in the same space, you can expect something truly explosive. Does this happy chemical equation work in Kai Po Che's favor?
It's got everything that you'd want to see in a film. It's got brotherhood, it's got bonding, it's got breakups, it's got politics, it's got passion, it's got cricket, it's got cracks, it's got just about everything that you'd want. It's got revenge, it's got bloodthirst, it's got it all. So I think it's a complete package that you'd want. The performances were splendid. All the three new boys, the girl Amrita Puri, they're all very good, equally good at their performances. The side roles are all well handled. So I would think the casting was just right. The fact that he had fresh characters brought so much life into the whole story.
I loved Abhishek Kapoor's last film. We call him Gattu, he's an old friend. And I loved his last film, Rock On. And I think all the promos, all the songs, Amit Trivedi has done fabulous music for the film. It's been shot extremely well.
I think तीनों ने बहुत कमाल काम किया है. जो भी promos में साफ नजर आ रहा है कि सुशांत, अमित, राजकुमार सब तीनों ने और फिर गट्टू की पिक्चर है, अभिषेक कपूर की पिक्चर है.
I am 100% sure it's going to do very well. It's a brilliant film. Feels wonderful to see it. वो हमेशा ऐसी लगती है यार, मैं क्या करूँ, कम ही ना. Gorgeous wife एकदम.
बहुत बहुत अच्छा है. अभी वही कह रहे थे कि जो एक एनर्जी ट्रांसलेट होती है फर्स्ट टाइम यू सी अ ट्रेलर, उसी के अंदर कुछ एक आई थिंक द ऑडियंसेस डिसाइड कि देखनी है फिल्म कि नहीं देखनी है. सो आई थिंक दिस इज डेफिनेट एब्सोल्यूट यस.
I think this will be something very interesting, and I always want to wish good luck to all the three boys who are in this film.
ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टाइटल है फॉर अ फिल्म अबाउट थ्री फ्रेंड्स, अबाउट थ्री बॉयज, और तीनों लड़के न्यू एक्टर्स बहुत प्रॉमिसिंग लग रहे हैं. सो लेट्स सी. एंड अभिषेक कपूर इज अ वेरी गुड डायरेक्टर.
मीठी बोलियां
On the Twitter sphere, where the film was trending for days prior to its release, Bollywood poured in their best wishes and congratulations to the fab team Kai Po Che. Farhan Akhtar wrote, "Super reviews, super vibe, Kai Po Che is sure to super rock." Maria Goretti wrote to the film's director Abhishek Kapoor, "Everyone needs a Kai Po Che friend. By the way, your film is still running inside me. Congratulations again, it's beautiful." Deepika Padukone was elated that Kai Po Che and her upcoming were trending on the social networking site. She wrote, "Thrilled to see both Kai Po Che and Ye Jawani Hai Diwani trending all the day today. Congratulations, Team UTV." Arshad Warsi wrote, "Depth, substance, human relations, dreams and much more. Great performances, brilliant direction, stunning cinematography, that's Kai Po Che." Suzanne Roshan, legend Kai Po Che will change our lives forever. Great cinema unfolds to capture our heart and soul. With lots going for this small film with a big heart, the star cast is hoping there are others who'll join them in their victory anthem. With Samina Razak in Mumbai, Garima Khurana, headlines today.
Okay, I believe that you guys sing very well, and I've heard you sing right on top of the balloon. Was it fear? 2, 3.
रूठेगा वो को मना लेंगे, कटी पतंगों को थामेंगे. हो ए जज्बा, हो ए जज्बा, सुलझा देंगे उलझे रिश्तों का मांझा.
And it's just too. With this team, there's just too much testosterone. I have to say, it's like a testosterone overdose. These guys are not just promoting the movie; they're as charged up when the cameras are off at night in the car. They are just. It's like I've never seen such an adrenaline and testosterone. Nobody has slept for the last 4 days. What time did you come back to your room last night?
He was promoting the movie at 3 o'clock in the morning.
8:30 p.m. and then he went out to Shalom and 5:30 came back. Ankita, point to me. Where he was?
No. He was promoting the movie.
Okay, we're all promoting the movie right now. 3 in the morning, he was promoting the movie to some pretty models.
24/7.
पिघला सा देखेंगे हम कल का चेहरा ओ पथरीले सीने में उबला सा देखेंगे हम.
We're of course with the people who have made kite flying a profession. On that note, we're going to take a short break. On the other side, there's lots more. So you guys stay with us. What do I say at the end? Kai Po Che.
लगी कल होगा क्या कह दो किसको है परवाह परवाह.
Well, it certainly is about promoting the movie, and this weekend is your weekend. So why would you tell somebody to come and watch this movie for you?
Because it's an Indian film. It's we've made it a lot of love and all of that, but that's not the only reason you should come and see it. I feel that if you come and see this film, you will go back a richer person. I think we have made our sincere effort has been to make a soul-enriching film. It is much more than just a friendship story. It's an Indian film, and as a responsible Indian, as someone who feels for his country, feels for his brothers or his sisters or his family, come and see this. You will not be disappointed.
Well, certainly come and see this. One message for the guys out there, for everybody out there.
Just go watch a film. It's a great film. You'll love it.
Yeah, but you can get your hands off your brothers now.
No.
We are brothers for life. And go and watch them. They are brothers for my wife.
Don't touch your friends so much. Don't touch your friends so much. And of course, it's all about brotherhood and kite flying. You guys go watch the movie over the weekend because, well, kite flying, it can never be bad, right?
Right.